Flora and Fauna of Himachal Pradesh by Grade 8.
Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is a northern Indian state in the Himalayas. It is home to scenic mountain towns and resorts such as Dalhousie. Host to the Dalai Lama, Himachal Pradesh has a strong Tibetan presence. This is reflected in its Buddhist temples and monasteries, as well as its vibrant Tibetan New Year celebrations. The region is also well known for its trekking, climbing, and skiing areas.
The Great Himalayan National Park. The Great Himalayan National Park is one of India's national parks. It is located in the Kulu region in the state of Himachal Pradesh. The park was established in 1984 and is spread over an area of 1,171 km square at an altitude between 1,500 and 6,000 meters. The flora and fauna that we have seen there are the snow leopard, western tragopan, Himalayan yak, the rhododendron, and the Himalayan cedar tree.
Topography of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh occupies a region of scenic splendor in the western Himalayas, offering a multi-textured display of lofty snow-clad mountains, deep gorges, thickly forested valleys, large lakes, terraced fields, and cascading streams. Geographically, Himachal Pradesh can be divided into three distinct regions: the Shivalik or Outer Himalayas. The Lower Himalayas include the districts of Hamirpur, Kangra, Unna, Bilaspur, and the lower parts of Solan, Sirmaur, and Mandi, commonly known as the Shivalik Hills.
A pie chart of the forest cover of Himachal Pradesh.
Thank you. Now we will present to you a skit prepared by Grade 8. We hope all of you enjoy.
Hi Niharika, long time no see. Take a seat.
This pandemic has really affected us in many aspects. I wish this to be over. That reminds me of the time that we went to Himachal Pradesh. Do you remember?
Yeah, it all started from Delhi, right? Niharika and Tejas are standing beside each other on a roadside. A white small van comes down a road hill, and a tour guide opens the door of the van and greets them. They see another tour guide who greets them too. They then meet Sandhya, Rian, Louis, and Paul. They all decide to introduce themselves, and while Sandhya was introducing herself, Tejas interrupts her and asks everybody to introduce themselves in their own language.
नमस्ते हिमाचल प्रदेश में आपका स्वागत है
Namaste, बैठिए.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sandhya.
Hey everybody, why don't we introduce ourselves in our own language?
നമസ്കാരം, എൻ്റെ പേര് സന്ധ്യ. എൻ്റെ കൂടെ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് റിയാൻ. ഞങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരും കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്നു.
ഞങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരും ഫോട്ടോഗ്രാഫേഴ്സ്മാരാണ്.
Salut, je suis Louis. Je suis originaire de France, mais j'étudie à Delhi.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Paul David et je suis ici dans le cadre de notre expédition archéologie.
Hi everyone, my name is Tejas. Niharika and I are researchers from Mumbai and we are here to study the rhododendron plant species.
नमस्ते मेरा नाम है निखिल और मैं आज के लिए आपका टूर गाइड हूँ
सुप्रभात, मैं बलराम हूँ. मैं निखिल का साथी हूँ और मैं इस यात्रा में आपका मार्गदर्शन करूँगा. Everybody gather around here. We have reached the Great Himalayan National Park. The western tragopan is the state bird of Himachal Pradesh. It is a medium-sized pheasant found along the Himalayas. The western tragopan is considered the rarest of all living pheasants. The other name of the western tragopan is jujurana. The adult male tragopan is slightly bigger and heavier than its female counterpart. The male is very dark grey and black with numerous white spots. Each spot is bordered with black and deep crescent patches on the sides. The throat is bare with blue skin, while the bare facial skin is red. The black of their head is black. Females have pale brownish grey upper parts, finely verticulated and spotted with black. and most of the feathers have black patches and central white streaks.
Colorful.
After seeing the western tragopan, they set out to see the snow leopard. On the way, Sandhya spots a beautiful flower and asks Nikhil about it.
Wow, look at the flower.
Whoa, it's beautiful.
Nikhil, do you know anything about that flower?
Rhododendron is a large genus of flowering plants. It includes 1024 species of woody plants in the heath family. Some are evergreen and some are deciduous. It is mainly found throughout Asia. In some parts of Asia, the flower is considered edible and is enjoyed as a delicacy. Most of them have quite showy flowers. What gardeners know about azalea is in fact a kind of rhododendron, and in fact the state flower of Himachal Pradesh is certain of this flower species, named as Rhododendron campanulatum, also known as the pink rhododendron.
Amazing.
Now we have reached the snow leopard reserve.
The snow leopard, also known as the ounce, is a large cat native to the mountain range of Central and South Asia. It is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List because the global population is estimated to number less than 10,000 mature individuals and is expected to decline about 10% by 2040. It is threatened by poaching and habitat destruction following infractional developments in habitat-fine and subalpine zones at elevation from 3,000 to 4,500 meters, ranging from eastern Afghanistan, the Himalayas, and the Tibetan Plateau to southern Siberia, Mongolia, and western China. In the countries in the northern part of the range it also lives at lower vacations. It is a state animal of Himachal Pradesh and it is very hard to spot a snow leopard as there are only approximately 44 of them left in Himachal Pradesh. The State Forest Department has helped a lot in the conservation of snow leopard.
On the way out, the tour guides notice the Himalayan cedar and starts explaining about the tree.
The Himalayan cedar, also known as Deodar cedar, is a species of cedar native to the western Himalayas in eastern Afghanistan, northern Pakistan, Kashmir, Ladakh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and Himachal Pradesh. It is the national tree of Pakistan. It is a large evergreen coniferous tree reaching 40 to 50 meter tall, exceptionally 60 meter with a trunk up to 3 meter in diameter. Deodar is in a great demand as building material because of its durability, rot resistant character, and fine close grain, which is capable of taking high polish. Its historical use to construct religious temples and in landscaping around temples is well recorded.
Where are we going now?
Wait, look at those paintings. It's fascinating.
True.
Can we stop and take a look at those paintings?
Excuse me, can you tell me about these paintings?
Of course, is called the Kangra painting. It's a regional art style influenced by Mughal, Rajput, and local styles. Traditional Kangra paintings were made on handmade paper using minerals and vegetables. The subjects are seen in the Kangra painting exhibit the taste and the traits of the lifestyle of the society of that period. Bhakti cult was the driving force, and the love story of Radha and Krishna was the main source of spiritual experience, which was also the base for the visual expression. Bhagavata Purana and the love poems Gita Govinda by Jayadeva were the most popular subjects dealing with the legends and the amorous place of Radha and Krishna, symbolizing the soul's devotion to God. In some miniatures, the blue god Krishna is seen dancing in the lush woodlands, and every maiden's eye is drawn to him.
After observing the paintings, they purchase some souvenirs and get back on the van and continue their journey.
शुभ हमारे देशोरता देशोर मुकुल के देशोरता शुभ हमारे देशोरता देशोर मुकुल के देशोरता शुभ हमारे.
I know this song.
This is a nice song.
True.
That was fun.
I know, right?
15 minutes into the journey, the van breaks down and the tour guide asks the group to step out of the van and go sit in a nearby tea shop. Balram tells them about a myth that happened in Himachal Pradesh.
अरे बाप रे!
Bye, can you give us all tea?
ये सभी मंदिर और हिमाचल प्रदेश में स्थित झरने पांडवों के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। वे अपने रास्ते पर हिमाचल प्रदेश में गुजरा स्वर्ग और कैलाश पर्वत पर चढ़ गए। रास्ते में एक दम तोड़ दिया युधिष्ठिर को छोड़कर। मरने वाले पहले द्रौपदी था, वह अपूर्ण थी क्योंकि उसके अन्य पतियों से ज्यादा अर्जुन से प्यार करती थी। दूसरा सहदेव था, वह अपूर्ण था क्योंकि वह अपने विज्ञान में अधिक आत्मविश्वासी था। उसके बाद था नकुल, वह भी अपूर्ण था क्योंकि वह अच्छे दिखने के लिए अधिक उत्साही था। फिर था अर्जुन, अपूर्ण क्योंकि उसे अपने कुशाल पर गर्व था।
Kerala, there was a demon king called Mahabali. He defeated the gods and started ruling over the three worlds. The gods became jealous of him, and one day God Vishnu disguised himself as a commoner and called himself Vamana. He came to the kingdom of Mahabali and asked for a piece of land. Mahabali said he can have as much as land he wanted. The Brahmin said he just wanted as much as land that could be covered within 3 steps. The king was surprised to hear but agreed. Allowed advice of the king, Shukracharya sensed that Vamana was not an ordinary person and warned the king against breaking the promise. But the generous king replied that it would be a sin for a king to back down on his word. Just as King Mahabali agreed to grant the land, Vamana began to expand, eventually increased himself to the size of cosmic. With his first step, the Brahmin boy covered the whole of earth, and with his second step, he covered the whole of the skies. He then asked King Mahabali, where is the space for the third foot to keep his third foot? The king realized that this Brahmin was no ordinary, and his third step will destroy the earth. Mahabali then, with folded hands, bowed before the Vamana and asked him to place his last step on his head so that he could keep the promise. The Brahmin placed his foot on the head of the king, which pushed him to Patala, the netherworld. There, the king requested the Brahmin to reveal his true identity. Lord Vishnu then appeared before the king in his person. The Lord told the king that he had came to test him, and he had won the test.
Wait, I wanna add something more. I would like to recite a poem. Comme se marvelu la flora e la fauna da Himachal, le l'action e la forêt luxuriant, où est les animaux et les vaisseaux, héros comme les lois du ciel, le panier de fleurs du monde, béni du prairie et du pâturage, de roses et lilies, de soucis et passiflons, ravis de vous, soit leopard monal, à travers les Shrippin et Shisham.
A few minutes before reaching the train station,
I want to add something. After a few more minutes, this journey that we all had together will come to an end. Before that, I want to mention my gratitude towards each and every one of you. Each one of you has played a major role in making this trip a memorable one. I truly appreciate all of you, and I will truly treasure all the memories that I am taking home with me. I hope we all of us can keep in contact for a long time. So thank you for everything.
അപ്പോൾ യാത്ര ആസ്വദിച്ചോ?
നല്ലതായിരുന്നു, ശരിക്കും ആസ്വദിച്ചു. കുറെ കൂട്ടുകാരെയും കിട്ടി, പിന്നെ കുറെ പടങ്ങൾ എടുക്കാനും കഴിഞ്ഞു. നല്ല പുതിയ ഓർമ്മകൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കാനും കഴിഞ്ഞു.
നീ പറഞ്ഞത് ശരിയാണ്. പിന്നെ പുതിയ കുറേ വിവരങ്ങൾ അറിയുവാനും പറ്റി.
നമ്മുടെ കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്നും വളരെ വ്യത്യസ്തമായ ജീവജാലങ്ങളും സസ്യങ്ങളും ആണ് ഹിമാചൽ പ്രദേശ്.
ഇത്രയും വലിയ വ്യത്യാസം ഉണ്ടാവുമെന്ന് ഞാനും വിചാരിച്ചില്ല.
അവിടെ എല്ലാ ദിവസവും ഇവിടെ കാറുകൊണ്ടുള്ള കളി.
അതെ, പിന്നെ നമ്മുടെ കേരളത്തിൽ മാവും പ്ലാവും ഉള്ളതുപോലെ അവിടെ ഹിമാലയൻ ദേവദാരു മരങ്ങളാണ് കൂടുതലും.
ശരിയാ, ഞാൻ ഈ യാത്ര ശരിക്കും ആസ്വദിച്ചു. പക്ഷേ പിരിയാൻ സമയമായി.
എന്നാൽ ശരി.
ശരി, അപ്പോൾ കാണാം.
A really memorable trip, wasn't it?
Yes, we learned and we had so much fun.
I know. Wait, look at the time. Time flies when you're having fun.
Goodness, you have to leave, right?